Think of one of the world's most famous investors, Warren Buffett. He is known for being incredibly rich. But he says his success comes from something simple. He did not chase quick, flashy wins. Instead, he took small, steady steps for a very long time. This quiet, powerful idea can change your financial life. It is the simple truth of compounding. Compounding is like building a snowball. You start with a small ball of snow in your hands. As you roll it down a hill, it picks up more snow. The bigger it gets, the more snow it collects with each turn. Your money can work the same way, growing bigger and faster over time. It's not a secret trick for billionaires. This is available to everyone. Imagine you have a single penny. What if it doubled in value every single day? On day 1, you have 1 cent. Day 2, 2 cents. Day 3, 4 cents. This seems slow. After a week, you only have $1.28. Not very impressive, but after 31 days, that single penny would grow into over $10 million. That is the explosive power of compounding. Your own money won't double daily, but the principle is the same. Growth builds on itself, and over time the results can be life-changing. You don't need a huge starting sum or a genius IQ. It only asks for one thing: getting started. The sooner you begin, the more time your snowball has to grow. Let's break down compounding into its simplest parts. It's earning returns on your original money, and then earning returns on those returns. A 2-for-1 deal that gets better with time. You put your money to work. Its earnings join the team and start working too. Simple concept. Profound effects. Einstein allegedly called it the 8th wonder of the world. Example: invest $100 at 7% a year. After year 1, you earn $7. Your total is $107. Year 2, interest is on $107, which is $7.49. Now you have $114.49. The growth itself is growing. Early years feel flat. Later years are where it takes off. When it comes to compounding, time is the most critical ingredient. More time means more powerful compounding. Each year gives your earnings a chance to earn their own earnings. A quick story of 2 friends. Anna starts at 25, investing $200 a month for 10 years. Then she stops adding. She put in $24,000 total. Ben starts at 35, invests $200 a month for 30 years. He contributes $72,000, 3 times Anna. Who has more at 65? Assuming 7% returns, Anna, the early starter, wins. Her head start beat his extra money. Start as early as you can. Starting later still works. Time helps everyone. Time is the main ingredient. But 2 engines power growth: return rate and regularity. The rate is how fast your money grows each year. A higher rate is stronger wind in your sails. Invest $1,000 for 30 years. At 5%, it becomes about $4,322. At 8%, about $10,062, more than double. That's why return matters, after accounting for risk. The second engine is regularity, consistent contributions. Small monthly deposits beat occasional large ones. Each deposit starts its own compounding journey. Regular saving is like planting new trees every month. Together, they're a 1-2 punch for wealth. A simple, effective strategy for long-term success. Compounding is neutral. It's just math. It can build wealth or work against you. When it works against you, it's debt. High-interest debt, like many credit cards or payday loans, compounds on you. Interest is added to your balance. Next month, you pay interest on the new, larger balance. It can crush your financial goals, make only minimums, and most of it goes to interest. The principal hardly moves. The cycle repeats, sometimes for years. You can pay many times the original amount. One of the smartest moves: pay high-interest debt fast. Paying an 18% card is like earning a guaranteed 18% return. Plug the leak before chasing speed. Remove the negative force. Clear the way for positive compounding. Turn the snowball from a threat into opportunity. Understanding is one thing. Doing is everything. You don't need complex strategies. Follow 3 simple rules. Rule 1, start now. The earlier you start, the bigger the advantage. Even $20 a month beats zero. Rule 2, save often. Make it automatic. Pay yourself first each payday. Consistency smooths market ups and downs. Rule 3, keep costs low. Fees are silent wealth killers over decades. Prefer low-cost index funds and ETFs so more of your money stays invested. Low costs, time, and consistency. Powerful together. 3 rules. Start today. Think of the process as planting a tree. You start small. You water it with consistent savings. Early growth is quiet. Be patient. Protect it. Keep costs low. Avoid high-interest debt. Over the years, it becomes sturdy. Then, it bears fruit. Those fruits contain seeds for new growth. Eventually, it can provide for you. As Buffett's career shows, wealth often comes from steady, simple habits repeated over time. Your first step doesn't have to be big. Open the account. Set a small automatic deposit. This is not get rich quick, it's get rich surely. Do one small thing today. Time is on your side, if you start.